मुझे इसे करीब रखने की ख्वाहिश थी।
I had the urge to hold it closer. I had the urge to hold it closer.
बच्चे ने अपनी टेडी को अपने सीने से लगाया।
The baby held her teddy close to her chest. The baby held her teddy close to her chest.
इसने अपनी सालगिरह की तकरीब में जोश व खरूश से रक्स किया।
He danced excitedly at his birthday party. He danced excitedly at his birthday party.
ये एक धमाका था।
It was a blast. It was a blast.
मैंने अपनी मीटिंग के लिए आवाज बंद कर दी।
I muted the sound for my meeting. I muted the sound for my meeting.
वो मदद की पेशकश कर रहा था।
He was offering to help. He was offering to help.
लड़कियां आगे बढ़ रही थी।
The girls were on the move. The girls were on the move.
तस्वीर से बाहर।
Out of the picture. Out of the picture.
इसके बाद वीडियो को हरकत में लाया गया।
The video was then set into motion. The video was then set into motion.
मुझे नहीं मालूम कि मैं उसे मुझ पर यकीन दिलाने के लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ।
I don't know what I can do to make him believe in me. I don't know what I can do to make him believe in me.